The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 series is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated vlogging camera launches of 2026, and recent leaks suggest that creators have a lot to look forward to. While DJI has remained tight-lipped about official specifications, images of packaging and real-life hands-on leaks have started painting a vivid picture of what to expect. For the first time in the Pocket series, it looks like DJI will offer two distinct variants, the base Osmo Pocket 4 and the more advanced Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. This marks a significant shift in DJI's strategy, catering to both casual vloggers and more demanding content creators who need professional-grade features in a compact form factor. The packaging images gave the first hints of subtle but meaningful design updates. One of the most noticeable changes is the addition of two physical buttons positioned just below the touchscreen. These appear to be functional upgrades that will enhance usability in real-world shooting. According to leaks, one button is likely customizable, allowing users to assign a frequently used function, while the other seems to be dedicated to zoom control. For vloggers and solo creators, this is a thoughtful addition, providing immediate access to zoom functionality and customizable commands without needing to dive into menus. Coupled with the familiar joystick and the signature red recording button, the base Osmo Pocket 4 looks set to balance familiarity with practicality. The real excitement lies with the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. Recent real-life images reveal a dual-camera setup mounted within the gimbal head, a first for the Pocket line. This dual-camera configuration is rumored to include a wide-angle main lens paired with a telephoto zoom lens. Although DJI has yet to confirm the exact sensor sizes or specifications, this combination could offer unprecedented flexibility in a handheld gimbal camera. Imagine being able to switch seamlessly between sweeping landscape shots and detailed close-ups without changing devices. For creators on the move, this could mean fewer compromises, a more streamlined workflow, and professional quality results from a single, pocketable camera. The two variants make sense strategically. The base Osmo Pocket 4, with its single-lens design, is likely aimed at casual users and vloggers who prioritize portability and ease of use. On the other hand, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, with its dual-lens setup, seems targeted at creators who want more versatility and higher-quality zoom capabilities. By offering both options, DJI can cater to both entry-level users and professionals, broadening the appeal of the Pocket series and positioning the Pro variant as a true hybrid of portability and advanced functionality. One of the standout features revealed in the leaks is the rotatable touchscreen. This design allows for more flexible framing options, from low-angle shots to overhead perspectives, without requiring additional accessories or complex setup. Combined with the two new buttons beneath the screen, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro offers an interface optimized for solo shooters. Quick access to zoom and customizable functions directly under the display makes it easier to operate the camera on the fly, ensuring creators can focus on their subject and composition rather than fighting with menus or settings. These small but thoughtful upgrades reflect DJI's understanding of the real-world challenges faced by vloggers and mobile filmmakers. While the leaks provide a clear idea of the design, several technical details remain unconfirmed. The exact sensor sizes, apertures, and video capabilities of the dual-lens Pro variant have yet to be officially revealed. However, industry insiders speculate that the main sensor will handle wide-angle shots, while the secondary telephoto lens could allow for high-quality zoom, similar to what you'd find in larger mirrorless cameras. This combination could make the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro one of the few compact cameras capable of offering both cinematic wide shots and detailed zoom without the need for multiple devices. Such versatility is ideal for travel vloggers, adventure creators, and solo filmmakers who want a compact, all-in-one solution. The ergonomic improvements are also evident. The Pro variant maintains DJI's signature handheld design, ensuring it remains lightweight and easy to handle, despite the additional camera. The gimbal head appears slightly more robust, likely to accommodate the dual lenses and provide smoother stabilization. The joystick below the touchscreen continues to offer precise control over the gimbal, and the newly added zoom button provides quick control over focal length adjustments. These refinements demonstrate DJI's commitment to creating a practical, user-friendly camera that enhances the creative process rather than complicating it. In addition to hardware improvements, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro will likely benefit from DJI's mature software ecosystem. Previous Pocket models have been praised for AI-assisted tracking, stabilization, and automated shooting modes. It's reasonable to expect the Pro variant to include even more advanced AI-powered features, such as improved subject tracking, auto-reframing, and enhanced low-light stabilization. Combined with the dual lens design, these software tools could allow creators to produce professional quality content with minimal effort, even when shooting alone or in challenging conditions. The dual camera configuration also offers exciting possibilities for hybrid shooting. With a wide-angle lens for establishing shots and a telephoto lens for capturing close-ups, creators could shoot fluid, cinematic sequences without changing cameras. This could save significant time on set and simplify post-production. For travel vloggers, solo filmmakers, and content creators who need to shoot quickly and efficiently, this flexibility could be a game changer. It transforms the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro from a simple pocket gimbal into a versatile production tool capable of capturing a variety of shot types in a single take. The design leaks also suggest that DJI has considered durability and handling. The Pocket 4 Pro remains compact enough to be pocketable, ensuring portability without compromising stability. The rotatable gimbal head seems reinforced, likely reducing mechanical strain and improving long-term reliability. These design choices indicate DJI's focus on both creative potential and build quality, ensuring that the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro can withstand frequent use while maintaining smooth and reliable performance. Connectivity and workflow also appear to be priorities. The Pocket series has always integrated well with DJI's mobile and desktop apps, offering features such as automated editing, AI-assisted framing, and wireless transfer. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro will likely continue this trend, with potential improvements to stabilization algorithms, subject tracking, and editing tools within the app ecosystem. This integration ensures that creators can not only shoot high-quality footage but also streamline post-production and distribution, making the Pro variant a true all-in-one solution for modern content creation. Though official confirmation from DJI is still pending, the leaks suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 series launch is imminent. Packaging images hint that the product is nearing retail readiness, and the appearance of real-life images of the Pro variant suggests that production is well underway. While the exact release date remains unclear, it is likely to arrive in early to mid-2026, potentially alongside other DJI 2026 product announcements. Creators who have been waiting for an upgrade to the Pocket line now have reason to believe that their patience will soon be rewarded. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro represents a significant evolution for the Pocket series. With dual camera functionality, a rotatable touchscreen, refined ergonomics, and practical button placement, the Pro model is clearly aimed at creators who need more than a simple compact gimbal. While many technical details such as sensor sizes, lens specifications, and video performance remain unconfirmed, the leaks indicate that DJI is preparing a device that could truly redefine portable vlogging and solo filmmaking. For creators who want professional-grade capabilities in a pocketable form factor, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro looks like a must-watch release for 2026.